This is the model that I'm going to render. Create a plane. Scale it a little bit. Select the rear edge and extrude it along the Z-axis. Bevel this edge. Add new material to the ground plane. Decrease the roughness a little bit. Decrease the white color. Apply shade smooth. We are using this plane as the ground. Add a new plane. Move it and rotate it 180 degrees. We are going to use these planes as lights. So duplicate the plane. Place it like this. Duplicate the plane and place it on the left side. Add a camera. Choose a suitable setting for your camera. Go to Render Settings. I'm using GPU as the computing device. Add new material to the plane. I'm going to rename the planes real quick. Choose Emission Shader. Increase the strength a little bit as we need some strong lights. Assign this material to the other two planes as well. Add a circle. Set vertex count to 8. Go to the edit mode and select all the vertices. Make a face. Assign the light material we created before. Place the lights around your model as per your desired lighting effect. Now we want to hide the ground plane from our render. So select the ground plane. Go to Object Properties. Turn on the Shadow Catcher. As you can see, there are no shadows of the object. To fix that, turn on the Shadow Catcher for the lights. I'm going to increase the light strength a little bit. Go to the Shading workspace. Go to the World Shader and increase the color a little bit. This will not be the background color for the render. To enable the white background, go to the Compositor. Turn on Use Nodes. Add a color mix node between the Layer node and the Composite node. Connect alpha to FAC and then image to the second color. The first color will be the background color. To use the alpha channel in the render layer, we need to turn on the transparency when rendering. To enable transparency, go to the Render Properties. Let's increase the max bounces. Under the Film section, turn on Transparent. I'm going to turn on the Transparent Glass option as we have a glass object. I'm going to decrease the tile size. And for color management, it is better to use the standard option as there is no HDRI image in the background and we need to fake some of the lighting effects. Now you can render the scene. Add and move the lights to get better results.